Welcome to the world of Sudoku. I'm Monica. We are here to create non-coding game in PowerPoint with the help of PowerPoint animations only. We are having three difficulties level here, that is easy level, medium level and hard level. Click on back button to come to the front page. Now I'm going to tell you the basic rules of the puzzle. Each square has to contain a single number only, and from number 1 to 9 can only be used in 3 by 3 column and blocks. Only number 1 to 9 should come without any repetition. Even in vertical and horizontal column, only number from 1 to 9 should come without any repetition. Now without wasting a single second, let's switch to our tutorial. I have already made 4 slides on Sudoku. Just a quick review of very basic things in PowerPoint, that how to write Sudoku and all. Just click on insert, use the word art button, use shapes, like I'm using an arrow shape here to write easy, medium and hard level. Use text box. Now come to our main point, that how to make easy, medium and hard arrow as an hyperlink. Now click on insert, click on action, on hyperlink to, click on arrow, slide and go to the second slide, that is easy level slide. Click on OK and OK. Again click on the medium, insert, click on action, hyperlink to, slide and number 3 slide, that is medium level slide. Click on OK and again OK. Again hard, click on hard, insert, action, hyperlink to, slide, click on 4 slide, that is hard level slide. Click on OK and again OK. In the same way, click on our first slide, that is easy level slide. Click on back button, again action, hyperlink to, slide and click the slide number 1, that is our front page. Click on OK and again. In this way I am giving the back button a hyperlink to slide 1 to medium and hard level also. Now a slide shown how the hyperlinks work. Just click on medium button, we divert to the medium page. Click to the back button, click on hard button, we divert to the hard level page and again click on back button. It do work like that. Now come to our second slide, that is easy level slide. Click on insert, table, select a table of 9 by 9, press OK and set it like this. After that select all the rows and columns of table, click on border and click on all border. After that select the first row of the table, click on home and select the bold button. Now select 3 by 3 rows and columns of table, right click, format shape, and in the right side you can see the fill button. Click on fill, color, I'm filling it with white color. Again next 3 by 3 block, fill it with little grayish color. Again next 3 by 3 block, fill it with white color, like that. Fill all table with white and grey color. This is how my Sudoku look like. Now I have inserted a picture of Sudoku to write my puzzle, but before that select all the table, do some setting before that. Click on home and change the size and color. Here I am selecting 24 size and black color and selecting the middle lines. After that just simply write the numbers of our puzzle. I'm copying it from a demo Sudoku model. Now this is how my puzzle will look like. Now click on insert, select a text box, select 1, write 1 here, set the size as 24 and color I'm setting here is blue. Now copy and paste the number 8 more times and write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now it's animation time, do watch it carefully, it is the main part of the video. Okay, select 1, click on animation, add animation, click on appear, Click on animation pane to see our first animation. On click. Next again select one, add animation, disappear. Click it there. After that we can see that on the first click one should appear and on the second click one should disappear. Now click on add animation and click on appear. Click on the arrow and make it start with previous. Again, as 2 is already selected, click on add animation and click on disappear. Should be on click. Next click on 3, add animation, appear. Make it start with previous. Again, as 3 is already selected, click on disappear. Now click on 4, add animation, appear. Make it start with previous. As 4 is already selected, add animation, disappear. This should be on click. Now click on 5, appear. Make it start with previous. Again click on 5 and disappear. It should be on click. Next click on 6, appear. Make it start with previous. Again 6, add animation, disappear. It should be on click. Again click on 7, appear. Make it start with previous. Again, as 7 is already selected, add animation, disappear. It should be on click. Again click on 8, appear. Make it start with previous and again click on 8. Click on disappear. It should be on click. Again click on 9, appear. Make it start with previous. And the last animation, that is click on 9, add animation and disappear. It should be on click. Now I'm going to tell you in brief why these animations I am using here. When on the first click one should appear and on the second click one should disappear, at the same time 2 should appear, and on the next click 2 should disappear and at the same time 3 should appear. Simultaneously I am doing till 9. That's why these animations we are using here. Now simply what we have to do is just drag the text boxes to the first empty column. All the text boxes on which we have given animations, just drag it to the first empty column. From animations till the last trigger point, we are going through the main part of our video, so don't miss a single thing. Okay, after dragging all the text boxes, click on insert, select shape and select a rectangle shape here. Now drag the rectangle shape to the first column, the first empty column on which we have dragged all our text boxes, like this. Now right click, click on format shape, make the transparency to 100%, click on line and click on no line. Now do you really wonder where is our rectangle? Click on home, select selection pane. Here is our rectangle, you can see, which we have make the transparency to 100%, so it is not visible to us, but it is there. Now click on animation, select all the animations which we have done with text boxes. Do select it with control key, control plus click, it will select whole. Click on trigger, on click off and select that rectangle, rectangle 10 here. Select that rectangle which we have make on that empty box as a trigger point. Now animation is done for our first empty box. Now I am going to show you how it is working on my first box. Just click over there. You will see that it is working perfectly. On click 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and nil, then again 1 2 3, like that. Now back to our game. We have done it for first box. And do you really wonder that we have to do the same process for every empty box? Not really. Just click on home, select and selection pane. Here the rectangle which we have given the trigger point, press Control key and select that rectangle and 9 text boxes, 10 objects simultaneously. Okay, with the help of Control key. Now press Control plus C and press Control plus V to paste it and drag it to the empty box. Do it again and again. Just Control plus V and paste it, Control plus V and paste it to the every empty box. Here you have to use your keyboard and mouse both to do the action. Remember to select 10 objects, the rectangle which we have given the trigger point and the 9 text boxes. This is very important. Before copying, just Control plus V and paste it. Now do you really wonder what about animation? We have just pasting the objects. Let's move to the animation portion. Click on animation, click on animation pane. Here is a surprise for you that all the animations also get pasted here. We have done all the animations for one block only, and just do copy and paste it, and it is for us for every blocks. Now move to the presentation portion. Just press F5 for the slideshow. Now click on easy to divert to your easy level puzzle and you can start solving your puzzle. I have done an easy level puzzle for you, rest you have to do. Just copy that 9 text boxes and 1 trigger rectangle from the easy level and paste it to the medium level and hard level, every block of medium level and hard level, and your work is done. That's it. This is very easy project in PowerPoint as you have to do animation to only one block. Just copy and paste it. Animation for other will be automatically done for you. Still, if you find any problem, I will love to help you. If you like this tutorial and game, please do subscribe my channel. Till then, keep learning. Jai Hind.